Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your ChatGPT login not working. First, make sure you are entering the correct email and password. Double check for typing mistakes and ensure caps lock is turned off. Next, check your internet connection because a weak network can prevent login. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Then, if you forgot on your password, click on the forgot password and reset it using your email. Then follow the instructions and then create a new password. You can also try logging in using a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue is related to your current browser. Then clear your browser's cache and cookies and then try logging in again. This often fixes login issues. If the problem continues, it may be a temporary server issue, so wait for a few minutes and try logging in again. That's how you fix the ChatGPT login not working. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.